Hello guys, today I want to show you how to take a picture from this to this. Alright, let's get started. So this was how my picture was taken. I woke up one morning as a man of creativity. I called my friend Master Ken. I said, hey guys, come over to my studio, let's do something creative. So we shot something like this. I added some table to match the background. As you can see, this was the background. There was a table, there was something here. We tried to add the same thing this time around. We put his eyeglass on it, to look that real. I created a camera angle using my tripod and I fit him now inside the location, and this was how it looks. So because of color problem, I had to add channel mixer to create some matching color between the background and the subject.
This break is just to remind you that you should click on the subscribe button, hit the notification bell so that you won't miss any video coming from this channel, just like this. Let's continue.
So I added his eyeglass, and to the eyeglass I matches the color also. You can see the before and the after, and I added some shadow. So normally the eyeglass cannot be seated over here without casting any shadow, so I added this shadow. You can see the shadow right here, so something like that. And to finalize it, I just added a general color grading that will just bring the subject and the background together. You understand what I'm saying? Bring everything together. So guys, as I told you, we have to be creative. The creativity did not start in post. It starts when we are shooting. So you have to be creative. Why shooting your pictures? Why shooting your photos? So that the creativity that you use to shoot the picture is going to be wonderful in post. I know most of us, we don't have that budget to go rent some classic hotel, classic locations. This is what you can also do to carry your market to the next level, to take your works to another level. You understand what I'm saying? So guys, if you love this video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you won't miss any video coming from this channel. Give a comment down below, hit the like button, give me your thoughts. I want to hear you say something on the comment below. So if you also want to know how to create thumbnails in Photoshop, then click this video. Or you want to know how to do skin retouching on your photos, frequency separation, then click the other video so that we can meet again on the other video. See you.